My dear students of class 9th, dear student, I am Rajendra from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, presenting this video. My dear student, this video is based on some questions from the chapter Cell, that is the fundamental unit of life. So, dear student, this is the filling the blanks type questions, and in first question, you are looking here that cell theory was proposed by dash 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 and. So you have to answer it like Schleiden and Schwann. Schleiden and Schwann. Schleiden, Schleiden and WANN, Schleiden and Schwann. So Schleiden and Schwann proposed the cell theory. Second, that is the dash 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 serve as channel for the transport of material between various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. So your answer will be endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum serves as the channel for the transportation. Third, that is the dash 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 are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria. So Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. 4. Dash 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 lack any membrane and hence do not show characteristics of eye until they enter in living body and use its cell machinery to multiply. I think this question is misprinted. This question is misprinted because here is no the word I. Question number 5. Dash 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 is the packaging and dispatching unit of the cell. So Golgi apparatus. Golgi body or Golgi operator, that you can answer it. Dear student, come to the true false questions. Lysosomes keep the cell clean by digesting foreign nutrient and or out cell organelle. This will be the true. It will be the true because lysosome is called suicidal bag. Osmosis play an important role in gaseous exchange between the cells as well as the cell and its external environment. This will be the false because gaseous exchange that takes place with the help of diffusion, not osmosis. Prokaryotic cells have no membrane-bound organelle. Their chromosomes are composed of only nucleic acid and they have only very small ribosomes as organelle. It will be true. And undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acid in eukaryote is called nucleoid. This will be the false. That will be called nucleus, not nucleoid. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum detoxifies many proteins and drugs. This will be the false. Dear student, come to this match the column section, and in this section you have to match. So there are options, certain options like this. If you see this in this manner, then you will find that nucleus, Robert Brown, prokaryotes, and undefined nuclear region in prokaryote in prokaryotes containing only nucleic acid. So you have to match it. You have to match this. You have to match nucleus to Robert Brown. First electron microscope, you have to match Knoll and Ruska. Cell theory by Schleiden and Shawn. Nucleoid means only ribosomes present. So these are the some questions that are based on the match the column. And my dear student, now come to the activity based questions. In this activity based questions, you have to learn so many things, and that is on the basis of in the previous video I made it clear about the activity based question, that observe the permanent slide of onion root tip and peel of onion of different stem, different sizes. After carefully observing the permanent slide, answer the following questions. Do all cells look alike in terms of the shape and size? The answer will be, your answer will be yes. Do all cells look alike in structure? Yes. Could we find differences among the cells from the different parts of the plant body? Yes. What similarity could we find? We find the similarity in different cells, like uniformly they form a structure which is called tissue. And if you are looking a permanent slide of onion root or onion peel, then you will find that there will be the arrangement of similar tissue. Similar cells means tissue. So that tissue is either of parenchyma or collenchyma or sclerenchyma or mixed tissue. That will be. So you have to answer the question like this. Dear students, come to other questions, other segment, like mapping the question. This is an important question that is based on the structure of the cell, and this cell, that cells organelles, different characteristics of the different cells organelles, and these characteristics are These cells organelles, like if a cell organelle having the storage sac for solid or liquid content, then that will be called the vacuole. If the cell organelle is like plastid containing the chlorophyll pigment, then that will be called chloroplast. If the cell organelle is having the powerhouse capability of the cell, then that will be called the mitochondria. If the cell organelle perform the function of the disposal of the waste material, and that will be called the excretory system of the cell, or vacuole type question. If the cells organelle first described by the Camillo Golgi, then that will be called the Golgi body. If the cells organelle serve the channels for the transfer of the materials in between the various regions, then that will be called the endoplasmic reticulum. So you have to map this question like this. Dear student, in these videos you have already learned so many questions like MCQs, activity based questions, true, false, short answer question, long answer questions, higher thinking, HOTS question. My dear student, come to this HOTS. And this HOTS, that if you are provided with some vegetable to cook, you generally add salt into the vegetables. After adding salt, vegetables release water. Why? When salt is added, a hypotonic medium is created, i.e. the concentration of salt molecules is more outside the vegetables than inside. Hence, due to the osmosis, water from the vegetables come out. So you have to think this question like this and you have to answer it. This one. Dear student, come to second one, that is the if cells of onion peel and RBC are separately kept in hypotonic solution, what will happen to each of them? Explain. When we kept in hypotonic solution, the onion cells will become turgid because water will enter the cell due to the osmosis, but the cell wall present outside the cell provides a turgid rigidity and does not let any harm to occur. Whereas in RBC, the movement of water inside the cell due to the osmosis was lead to bursting of the cell because it does not have a rigid cell wall. This one. So my dear student, you have to prepare these questions. Like one more question, where will you find more number of the ribosomes? In cancer cells or in fat cells? Ribosomes are found in greater number in actively dividing cells, which are the cancer cells. They need more amount of the proteins for the formation of new cells. So this one will be the answer. So my dear students, these are so many questions that you have already learned in this video, and by completing these segments, this chapter cell that get completed. Thank you very much.